Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to do a Shiv painting, but our Shiv painting will be again different. We will not make the entire Shiv or Parvati. We are going to just color few parts and we will make it symbolic. So I have just made a small square because my painting cannot be too large, because if I make it very large it will not look good. So I've just taken a small square in my paper, and to start with, first what we will do is make the forehead of Lord Shiv. So just to make the forehead of Lord Shiv, first we will put the red tikka. See, this is the red tikka of Lord Shiv. Then we will put there are 3 white lines, correct? So we will put the 3 white lines. This is the forehead. Okay children? असं forehead आहे, and I'm not going to do any मस्ती with Lord Shiva. नहीं तो पता चला रात को सपने में आके मेरे को तांडव कर रहे. So this is the forehead. See, we have made the forehead of Lord Shiva. It is just a symbolic painting. Now just below the forehead should be the nose. So we leave a little bit of space. See, we have left a little bit of space and we will make a nose. This is just symbolic, children, remember. So the eyes should be a bit here. So if the eyeball is here, this should be the eye. See, the eyeball will be here, and somewhere here should be the other shine. You all will understand. Can you all see this? Okay. Now after this we are going to make the cheeks. Okay, so the cheeks goes like that, and they will come somewhere below the nose part, and just to make the moustache, and this will be the cheekbone, and here also we will just make a few part over here just to show that there is some shine this side also. Now just below the nose shall come the lips part, but the first lip part, the nose shadow will fall, so it will not be clearly visible. So we will be making the other part of the lip here. Okay, so these are the lips. So this part is done. Now when we do the, what we call this, the pagadi can be done anyhow. So this will be the pagadi. You know, we are just making, it's a very simple painting, but everything should fall in place. If everything falls in place, it looks good. And remember children, I am making big dialogues, and if my things do not fall in place, I am going to rub it off and I will not post it only. Let's see how it comes. Now this is his jatai, okay? So the curly jatai of Lord Shiv we are making here. So let's take a turn and come here somewhere. Yes. This is the curly jatai of Lord Shiv. So it comes down here, it comes down here, then from here again we shall make the jatai come down. Then from here let's make it anyhow, let the jatai go. Okay, over here also. So can you see children what I have colored? This is the jata. So in a very, you all will be feeling that this diagram is not done, but you all will understand the beauty once it is colored. Now to start with the color, we are going to take only 3 colors. One is white, one is red, one is blue, and the background shall be black. So let us start with the red color, the blue. Which blue should we take? You can take any blue color. So I have light blue in my hand, and all these parts are supposed to be colored blue. Okay, so I will quickly color it blue, and I don't have my black color, so I'll be using my acrylic black color, children. Oh, it's coming out, never mind. So you can even paint these parts, small little parts. I am coloring with oil pastel, but you all can use paints because they are very small little parts to be colored. I have not used any marker today. It's a fast forward painting, children. These paintings are usually done when there is some competition, you know, where they make the painting very fast, and you don't even understand कि क्या बना रहे हैं वो लोग, and ultimately it turns out to be the painting. and then everybody claps. Yay! Similarly, this is the painting where you will not understand what is happening, but it will come. Remember, if I don't post this painting, matlab it hasn't come. Simple. This is the cheekbone. This is the nosy. Okay, this is the eye. This is supposed to be the lips. Let's see. When I'm not very sure, it should come. But if it does not come, it's okay. We will see. So this is the skin, the forehead. Even I haven't learned it, children. I see images and I try to do it. If it comes well, fine. If it does not come well, fine. We will again give a second chance. Now I have my red color. Just I will make this bindi, correct? The red bindi on the matha. I have left my white parts. Now I am taking my acrylic color, children, to do the entire part. That is why what I have done is I have left this part a bit so that I can do it properly. The acrylic color is always like that. Okay, first I take my brush for the small little parts. See, I have acrylic here. Now very carefully we are going to do this parts, inside parts. First you do the borders. It is the same way beta how we do the oil pastels. The same way we are supposed to do it. The only thing is that the oil pastels ka aage ka portion is very jadiya, so it is a bit difficult to cover few parts. So I have used acrylic. You all can use your poster colors. You all can use watercolors. May black will not shine that well, so avoid watercolors. You all can use poster colors if you all wish, or acrylics, whichever you all have. Or you all can use your oil pastels also. My oil pastel black is not that good, so I am using my acrylic. See, I keep my color here first, then I dip with my brush and I am doing it. Now all these parts are going to be black. So doing it very carefully. Let's see if the magic is working. If it is not working, I am sorry. I will not even post it. You all will not even come to know. So, because even I do R&Ds, children. You all call me teacher, but this teacher is also learning in the process. So, and I am not shy telling that I am still a student learning and teaching. The best way to enhance your art is to teach, because when you teach you feel, yes, I am a teacher and I should not make mistakes, and when that comes in mind you tend not to make mistakes and you first revise what you are supposed to do and then you do it, correct? Okay, can I take my book a little wakda, please? Because small portions to be colored well with black, very carefully. I have a small brush. It should not make any problems. It should not give any problems. So dun 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 dun. Then after I finish the delicate parts, inside part, then I can do zum 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 zum. Okay. Few delicate parts still needed to be done very carefully. Not making much mistakes. Let's see how it comes. Even I am waiting because I've never made such a drawing. I could have made a Lord Krishna with oil pastels with full of nature beauty around, but then I said let me give a try to this, and it will be new for my children also, correct? You all have never tried such a what did I do? I entered the forget. हो गया ठीक. मैं भूल गई बातें करते करते. Okay, so this is done. Because acrylic and that also black is such a color that it cannot be rectified, but I rectified it immediately. I understood I have done some problem and I tried to rectify it, and once it is done you all will understand whether it is coming or no. थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ रहा है क्या बच्चा पार्टी? मेरे को भी नहीं समझ रहा, तो मैं तुमको क्या बोल सकती है ना? Okay, then I'll take my Jadia brush and do the remaining parts. Okay, let me do this parts first. Actually, I was not understanding what to do today. There was no net. There was a big problem with the network over here. So I don't think so I'll be able to load it today itself. Let's see if our net gets okay. I might load it today itself, and if it does not get okay, it will be loaded by tomorrow. No issues, है ना? चिंता करायचं नाही, आपले काम करून द्यायचं. There are many children telling, अरे बाबा, you are running so fast, we are not able to complete with the school load. Children, please do your works, your school works before doing this. Okay? नहीं तो अभी मम्मी पापा ढोपटेंगे, बोलेंगे कि तन्नू टीचर कई ड्राइंग बनाती रहती हो. बनाते रहते हो. Children, please try and get few subscribers. If you all have subscribed, thank you. Tell your mummy, papa, chacha, chachi, mama, mommy, everybody to subscribe and try to share it so that more people can take benefit. See, it's a mufatka drawing class for y'all, है ना? So why not? If I have good subscribers, see, I am doing this because it's lockdown period. Our exhibitions are shut because the hotels are shut. So this is a way we are trying to engage and stay in the market. Many people are asking, why are you doing this? I'm doing this so that I don't want to come out of the market. I want to still stay in the market. So this is the best way to be engaged with children, because our entire show is like we showcase child art and we sell them at Hotel Kohinoor Continental in Andheri. Now in this lockdown period, people वो बोलते हैं ना, आउट ऑफ साइट आउट ऑफ माइंड, वो नहीं करना था, इसलिए. सी, नाउ आई हैव यूज्ड अ जाडिया ब्रश. आई हैव डन दिस इनसाइड पार्ट, so I have used a Jadia brush to do my paths, and I made a small one because even I was not very sure whether it is going to come right or wrong, but I think so it's done. Let's see. So just in this square, acrylic colors shine a lot. I don't know whether I'll be able to take a right snap of it, but I will try. If you all are having oil pastels, fine, please do with oil pastels. Poster colors are best. Try to use less water when you are doing black, because black में अगर पानी ज़्यादा डाला ना तो फिर the show of that black will never come. Try to use less water and do it. And now I'm gonna take this is my charcoal pencil, and what am I going to do is, it is a little wet, but here I'm going to put a small line of black with it, just to show the tikka, otherwise the tikka is not looking outstanding. It should stand out. Okay, so the tikka is done. What else needs to be highlighted? No, that is okay if I can do it over here also. Yes, I think so. It is done, and the Shiv drawing is done. Can you see this? It's shining. I hope this like when I post it you all will understand, but the drawing is done. The shiny part is because of the light falling on it, and after it dries I will click a snap in such a way that the shine go off, and then it will happen well. So can you see the Shiv? Yes. So bye till then children, have a nice day.